If you have the 2025 book, this chart is not in a 2024 book, but if you are in the 2025 book, we're on page 23, and the only way you bill observation is this one criteria. All three other criterias that are listed here, you only bill admit only. This is the only scenario that you bill those admit and discharge codes that are combo codes all in one on one day. They have to be on the same calendar day. They have to have observation for more than 8 hours. Anything less, they're only getting admit only, even if they were discharged in 4 hours, but they were placed in observation. We're not going to bill observation. We're only billing admit only. We're not billing the discharge. Don't ask me why. I don't know. I didn't write this book. But we're going to bill only admits for anything less than 8 hours, even if they were